Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
What is the second pillar of Islam? Your options are option A, Salah, or option B, Zakat. The right answer is option A, Salah. What is the third pillar of Islam? Your options are option A, the Zakat, or option B, the Hajj. The right answer is option A, Zakat. What is the fourth pillar of Islam? Your options are option A, the prayer, or option B, the fasting. The right answer is option B, the fasting. What is the fifth pillar of Islam? Your options are option A, the fasting, or option B, the Hajj.
The right answer is option B, the Hajj. How many times a day we need to perform obligatory prayers? Your options are option A 10 times or option B 5 times. The right answer is option B 5 times. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-A'la? Your options are option A 28 or option B 19. The right answer is option B 19. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Ghashiyah? Your options are option A 26 or option B 32. The right answer is option A 26. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Fajr? Your options are option A 38 or option B 30. The right answer is option B 30. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Balad? Your options are option A 20 or option B 22. The right answer is option A, 20. Can a person claim to be a Nabi in this day and age? Your options are option A, no, or option B, yes. The right answer is option A, no.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.